And all I want to say to her is, add a pum pum there. Add a pum pum there. Is it pum pum? Is it cesarean? What's it? What already went down? That's what I want to ask her. Where the pum pum? Is it alright? Everything intact? That's what I want to ask her. But I have to be patient and wait for her to get in contact with me. I need to record this before the battery dies. So I'm 33 weeks pregnant. I had my whooping cough vaccination on Thursday and I haven't felt the same since. And I understand how vaccinations work and it gives you like symptoms. Everywhere is dry, please forgive me. I had a very, very bad night last night. And when I'm ill, Kay doesn't sleep in the bed. He sleeps in the spare room because when I'm ill, I just need to be by myself. But I was so sick and I messaged him. I said, okay, please, I'm really ill. So he came upstairs. I managed to sleep. And he was like checking on me and stuff. But I've just noticed some reduced movement of the baby. And I've noticed this over the last 2 days since I had the injection. I'm not necessarily saying it's linked. I've just, that's my key point of noticing. So I called the maternity assessment unit. So this is where I'll be giving birth. And I explained everything and I said, listen, I'm probably over worrying here, but I don't have I don't have anything to compare this to. So she said to me that I need to come in, that she wants to do a scan and stuff. So Kay is in London at the moment. He's got a dentist appointment and I think he's going to the museum. He's got a couple of things he wants to do. And I should really call him and tell him, but I just don't want to worry him because, especially if it's nothing, I think if I go there and it's something, then I'll call him. But then if it's nothing, then I'll wait for him to come home and I'll explain, because equally I don't want to worry him as well. And I am that type of person whereby, unless I know for certain, I'm not really worrying anybody. But I want to come on here and quickly share this because I think it's important as women that we trust our intuition. Like, even if, nothing's wrong, the reality is you're still in tune with your body enough to check, And I've noticed, I know how my baby operates, in terms of movement. I'm just getting ready to go. I had to wash the shower. And I think part of it is that's how I deal with my anxiety and stress. I start cleaning. So I disinfected the shower. I'm just greasing my scalp now. I'll moisturise because everywhere is dry. I'll moisturise and then I'll go. It's only about 15 minutes from here anyway, the hospital. So I told them anyway that I'm going to have shower and everything. They said that's fine, that when I'm ready I should come. Anyway, my battery's about to die. I don't think I've charged the other two. So the next time I come in here, hopefully it'll be really good news. But yeah, we'll talk more. I'll be back. Hello. I am so tired. Okay, so I got back from the hospital and literally as I got there, the ladies there were so lovely, the nurses, they were just so nice on that maternity ward. So it's a maternity assessment ward, but it's literally the same ward I'd be giving birth on if I choose to give birth on the delivery suite. And it's the same ward where I'll be doing the water birth by the grace of God and the ancestors. So, slightly out of breath, I apologise. They were like, listen, we'd rather you come in. As far as we're concerned, you know your baby best. They monitored me for about half an hour. Enough. As I'm lying there, I'm thinking, I didn't want to worry anyone, so I didn't tell Kay that I'd called in and gone in. He knew I was worried a little bit last night, but he said if there's anything I should let him know, but he's down in London. And I didn't want to worry him for no reason, so that's why I didn't say anything. And also as well, I can start putting my hospital bag together because I've got everything in the house that I'm going to need for my hospital bag. And the last bits of stuff came today from Boots, so I need to open that up. So I'm literally going to tidy up today, the master suite, really wash the shower. I want to do some laundry. I've got my own personal laundry to do as well. I've literally emptied out the washing machine. Obviously, it has water that you have to release and clean the washing machine. wanted to show you quickly because I'm starting to cut labels of things, but I really thought you guys would find this quite useful. So, a few months ago, during lockdown, I started buying baby stuff, and I think I've mentioned this before in a previous vlog. And it was just because John Lewis was doing some amazing sales, as was Zara. And I just put together, it's like a year in the making of a box of stuff. And I always said if I didn't have children, then I could just give it to friends or whatever. But for me, I was like, I think I want kids, because for so long I didn't want children. However, I think I want kids, so this is part of me manifesting having a child. So I kept everything I bought very neutral, because obviously for me, I don't really believe in that whole pink for girls, blue for boys. I just think I like neutral clothing. It's one of my favourite ones. It's a newborn one, which I wish I got in a bigger size. It's like a velour little tracksuit thing. I don't know if you can see the trousers on the top. This I got from H&M. H&M do amazing baby clothes, by the way. So it's just like the top. It's so nice for newborns. So this is the... So again, when it comes to baby clothes, people always say to be a bit more prudent, because you don't want to overdo it, because they're not going to be in it for long, but you have to get them enough, right? So they're literally going to be living in baby growth. So I got this from Zara. I don't know if you can see it properly. I think it's just so cute, and it came as a set. So it came as a baby grow, it came with a little hat, some mittens, and then like a tiny little bib. So I'm just sorting out my service plan, and I'm being served by a really lovely lady. She's so sweet. She's like, do you want anything to drink? I was like, do you have a chocolate? She goes, it's really good. I was like, I'll have that. So yeah, just sorting out, and then I'm just going to wait here. Apparently it takes an hour or so. I'm going to just confirm it, and then I'm just going to try and keep myself occupied. I'm just so happy that I just got out of the bed, because there was like a period of 20 minutes where I wasn't going to come and get this done. Oh, thank you.
The lid isn't in properly. Do you want the lid on?
I don't mind. I'm just very excited to have this hot chocolate. I forgot I was coming into Aldi. You guys do it proper. Oh, bless you. Do you know what I love? I love that you can take your camera out. I love the fact that you can take your camera out and vlog, and nobody is like, oh my god, this is a normal life. This is normal. Anyway, I've got my hot chocolate. Oh, that is good. Anyway, this is how we're starting our day. Also, as well, I'm going to pack my hospital bag as well. So you guys are going to come with me as I pack the bag. I say come with me, we're just going to the house, and then I'm going to show you guys what I put in my hospital bag, and what the things I'm planning to put in there if I can't put them in there right now. I'm thinking, actually no, I've got a spare charger. I've got a spare phone charger. You have to have a spare phone charger in the hospital. Anyway, I've got to go. I'm tired. Bye. Morning. God, I look like trash. So I'm trying to put a hair mask in my hair, and this is my favourite hair mask by Mayel. It's the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. My hair, I have to be honest, is like a placebo. I kind of feel like I can't enjoy it too much, because I'm pregnant and my hormones are as such that my skin is amazing at the moment. My hair feels so strong, like my skin, the elasticity of my skin is amazing. But I know it's all a placebo, because the hormones, I kind of feel like we need to bottle it and sell whatever this hormone thing is that makes us, some of us, just glow. So update. Oh, God. I'm tired. I'm always tired. Kay's gone to Dubai. He went to Dubai yesterday, and I'm just so happy for him. He needs a break. I went to Dubai in January. He was busy with work, and to be honest, there's never going to be a right time for him to go. Then something happened at work. He was so busy, but he already had this book, so he had to go. Then he was like, oh, I don't know if I want to go. You're 7.5 months pregnant. I said, no. That's not what we're doing here, Kay. Pregnancy is a temporary state. It's not an illness, and it's not a sickness. I am fine. Yes, my mobility is not as it should, but I can still drive. Yes, I'm a little bit clumsy. I will be fine. Yes, I'm forgetful, but we have a board with all the dates for my medical appointments when he's away. And most of my medical appointments I go on my own anyway. But I feel like some people act like they have like pregnancies like this long-term sickness, and for some people it is. And in terms of like feeling really ill and unwell and stuff. But for me, I just am maintaining my individuality. That's kind of where I'm sitting at the moment. I know that the lighting's not fantastic here, but this is what we're working with right now, okay? No matter how you feel, the baby has to come out. Do you understand? The baby has to come out one way or another. But that one way or another is scaring me because I don't know what one way or another is going to look like. So I'm just a bit nervous. One of Kay's friends, his wife, who I get on very well, we are 1 month apart in pregnancy. She's just given birth. Obviously, I can't talk to her at the moment because she's acclimatizing to her new normal. And all I want to say to her is, add a pum-pum there. Add a pum-pum there. Is it pum-pum? Is it cesarean? What's it? What already went down? That's what I want to ask her. Where the pum-pum? Is it all right? Everything intact? That's what I want to ask her. But I have to be patient and wait for her to get in contact with me. Well, she has anyway. I messaged her and she's like, I've got so much to tell you. In my head, I was like, girl, tell me now. Tell me now. Tell me now. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Shrinkage is so real. Look here. Hello, guys. We are off to This Is Not a Baby Shower. This is Kay's sister. This is our Uber driver, who coincidentally is from North London, actually from Tottenham. And we have an executive Uber car. Yeah, look at my leg space. You know what? This is called business class. Yep. Now I'm on my way. Do you know what? My face is starting to look fat. It is. My face is starting to look pregnant. It is. Yeah.
Well, you will give birth to a T, so
we just thank God I'm cute, innit?
yeah.
I don't know, when I say this stuff, you're like, yeah. So yeah, we're off to Harrods for afternoon tea. We're calling it This Is Not a Baby Shower. London is raining really bad. Well, it's not actually, I shouldn't say really bad, it's been worse. But yeah, I think we're going to be a bit early, which is fine because I didn't want to be late because I can't bother to rush around. I can barely walk around. I always need to use the toilet. So she's so cute. Oh, you may recognise her. She was a bridesmaid at my wedding. Yay. She was a cute one. Insert picture.
Period.
Oh, wow. I said to her, Massey, you look really cute today. Your makeup looks good. She goes, yeah, I know. I like that confidence.
Yeah.
Because the irony is, would she have left the house if she didn't look cute? No, she wouldn't. So she knows she looked cute.
I said today I need to be cute.
With a capital Q.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Know, with my Longchamp, you know.
Very cute.
Yeah. A French brand.
And I think we're like kind of colour coordinated.
Yes. You know, the top.
Just
jeans.
the chunky knit. This is, I'll insert the company, black created, black owned from America, in the colour cinnamon. I'm going to get another one. I think I'm going to get a purple because it's just very comfortable. And I'm wearing my UGG matching set. You know what? You see this afternoon tea, it's not going to fill us up, you know. No, honestly, I need proper food. I don't know what I'm going to...
So is it like a brunch sort of?
Yeah,
a
it's
brunch?
like a brunch, but like posh brunch. For the price, they better cut the crust off the bread, you know. I'm going to need them to cut the bread for me as well. It's a lot of money. Yeah. But then when we get home, we'll eat jollof rice. Yeah.
Salt Bay.
Yeah.
It's down the road from
Is it?
Harrods. Yeah, it's literally down the road.
Listen, I only go to Salt Bay if I'm spending my husband's money. He's not in the country, so I don't spend his money yet.
That's what my wife done.
Yeah, you have to wait for the husband to get back. How can you go to Salt Bay by yourself as a woman?
It wasn't bad because I never celebrated her birthday because of COVID for 2 years.
So how much was it there? That's a good question. How much was it?
£400. It wasn't that bad.
What did you get?
I had the burger. I don't eat steak.
So you got a burger and fries, and what
burger
else?
Fries. She got burger fries. We got salad. We got desserts.
For fun?
Did you get a drink?
Yeah, we got a drink.
But you don't drink alcohol, right?
No, of course. course I do. If you saw the state of me yesterday,
But I'm just trying to understand this. Did you, when you paid the £400, was your heart happy?
Sold
Yeah.
it. Is it the guy,
It
the
was-
Turkish guy, the...
Yeah.
you know what? When you eat the
For
food
that,
there,
400
when you taste
for
it,
2
it's
burgers.
worth it. But
Well, he said when you taste it, it's worth it. Because for me, you know,
You get what you pay for.
did he fling? Did he fling the salt at
No, he
you?
wasn't there. He wasn't there.
Yeah, so...
Nah, yeah, for
But then-
I don't know.
There's a cheaper way of doing it. Book a ticket to Turkey, and we ate the same
to
thing
go
in
to
Turkey
Turkey,
for £60.
actually.
When you
But
did
was
the
it called
transit.
Salt Bay
No, it was his place.
in Turkey?
It was his place.
Oh, so
yeah.
he's coming here to make his money. I like his
Of course,
style.
He's got it in Dubai. He's got it
Yeah.
in.
I didn't go to the one in Dubai.
This is the creme fraiche cucumber. Combination chicken, Indian spice, salmon, sun cream, and eggs and truffle goulash.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Caramelized pasta with honey.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How'd you do this? Rotate in the direction of the arrows.
Literally just goes up. You don't need to go all over.
No, I did. How'd you do it? Okay, it's not working. Oh my god, this cheap Okay, it's not working. Okay, it's not working. Okay, it's not working. Okay, it's not working.
Listen, I'm going inside.
No,
Yeah?
guys. Okay, it's not working. How'd you do it? Okay, I need my money back. Oh, okay.
Babe, let's go.
I didn't know. Sorry. Let's go. Let's go. I'm really glad that I recorded this. It's just the different angles of my pregnancy bump. And now I look back, I just appreciate how beautiful my bump really truly was. And I do really miss it. I really have so much respect for my womanhood and how my body has really just been amazing. I have fibroids, I have PCOS, I have underactive thyroids, and apparently my BMI is really high. But yet my body just did what it needed to do to house this amazing child and enabled me to give birth. I love my body, my new body, and I love my womanhood.